Hey guys, Nick with Sellers Arena here, and as you know, Prime Day is coming up very soon, probably next month. Usually it's around mid-year, around July or so. Right now we're in June as I'm recording this video, but basically I'm going to show you how to set up a discount specifically for Prime Day that will automatically start as soon as Prime Day starts and end as soon as it's over. And that way you can go ahead and submit this discount, get it scheduled with Amazon, make sure there's no issues with it, and they can go ahead and plan to work it into all their promotional material that they run on and off Amazon. So you'll be all ready to go to take full advantage of that. Along with this, I'm going to go through some things to watch out for, make sure you set it up correctly. There are some restrictions and things you have to follow as far as setting up these discounts. So let's see, we're going to go ahead and create a discount. And we're just going to call this we'll just call this Prime Day 2024 test. I had set up a couple, and it's kind of weird if you notice I had a couple that are already set up. They don't let you delete things that didn't work. So this is kind of a, I don't know, I think they're still working on improving this part of their site. So anyway, you could go ahead and set a discount start date and end date on your own. This is maybe if you already knew when Prime Day is going to start. You could maybe time your discount a little different. That's up to you. But if you just want to do what I'm saying here and just have it automatically scheduled ahead of time, you just go ahead and check that box and be specifically for Prime Day. All right, so we'll go ahead and save and add products. Oh, wait, one more thing. Let me go back. Let's go ahead and look at the guidelines first. Okay, so this is pretty important. So you definitely want to read through this again yourself while you're setting up, because you never know, Amazon could change something in here right after this video. They're changing things all the time. But just to give you a quick rundown, product must have at least one review, 20% off the non-member, non-promotional price. So it must be at least a 20% discount. No more than 80%. The Prime exclusive discount price must be 15% lower than the reference price, that is the list price. So if you look in the back of the list, this isn't your sale price. Okay, this isn't the price. Maybe you're currently running a slash discount. You have your list price in the back end, and like that, maybe it's like $49.99, and then you discounted it to $39.99, and that's what's currently showing on your Amazon store right now, and potentially it's already showing with the slash through, for example. For this particular case, Amazon wants your actual reference price, the list price, and you're going to discount from that. Then Prime exclusive discount price must be 5% lower than the was price, and the Prime exclusive discounted price must be lower than the price for the ASIN in the last 30 days. So if you were running any kind of discount or promotion in the last 30 days, as they're saying here, including all deal, promotion, sale prices, this Prime Day discount needs to be lower than that. So definitely, again, read through all this one more time before you actually get started. And so let's go ahead and save and move on. All right, so we're just gonna test out one ASIN for now, or one SKU, I should say. So here we'll go ahead and pop that in. Okay, and we're gonna say amount off. In this case, we'll just do percentage off. You could do amount off and show it in a dollar amount. But yeah, like I said, we'll go ahead and do percentage off in this case. And we'll just say 20%, that is the minimum. All basic stuff here. Now, this is where it gets kind of tricky. They want you to show what the price will be after the discount. So in this case, our product is $29.99. We're going to discount it by 20%, which would be about $6 off. So it would take it down to $24. And this actually works out well in this case, because the way Amazon works with this, you can't actually say the discount ended up being, it brought it to like $23.49 or something like that. If you tried to enter that in here, like this, it's gonna flag it. And it normally will tell you here, it'll pop up a little error and just say it needs to be, oh, there it is right there. So please enter a valid value. The two nearest valid values are 23 and 24. So yeah, you have to round up or down. So if it's kind of in the middle, you could round it down as your minimum price. And I think maybe Amazon just wants room to be able to adjust that minimum, the actual discount price slightly, but then you're gonna have your kind of like floor price here, $23. But in this case, it worked out, so I'll just go ahead and put $24. And operation, don't worry about this. This is where if you wanted to, it's just their way of saying, yeah, we want to add it, of course, or edit or delete it. Then we'll just go ahead and submit products. Now, actually, this is actually going to be incorrect. Okay, so actually this was our other product that was not $29.99. This was the product that was $33.49. So just a mistake in real time here. So I'm gonna go ahead and correct this. So if we were doing 20% off your sale price, so let's see, we'll just say, we'll round that to, see, again, this is gonna be perfect because it will likely, it's gonna not let us enter in what we want to exactly. In this case, it would come out to $26.80 if we did the 20% off $33.49. So we're gonna say, again, we're gonna come in here and I'll try to see if I try to do $26.80 as our minimum price, and it's not gonna let it do it. Now it did accept the 24. It was like, okay, you wanna have the minimum price of 24, that's fine. But no, we don't want that. So we're gonna do 26. Yeah, then we just save and submit the change. So you kind of see how you can edit this here also. And we'll save and submit. And there we go, it's all scheduled and ready to go. Now, if Amazon does flag it, you're gonna see something off to the right here in big, bold, red text. And it's basically gonna say the discount has been suppressed. Not your listing, don't worry, just the discount. And you're gonna have to come back in here and fix it if you can easily see what it is. But Amazon is very vague. It's just gonna say it's suppressed due to their internal policies, and you'll likely need to go and open up a case with Amazon and explain after you reviewed everything and make sure it's good. And they'll review it and then unsuppress it. All right, so that's it, guys. Again, Prime Day is coming up really soon, so be sure to get all your deals and your strategy set up ahead of time. That way you can take full advantage and make a ton of cash this Prime Day. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.